Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to resolve a stop code internal power error, let's look at the options. Now, the first and foremost option would definitely be calling a hardware technician because this would be a hardware problem such as the RAM, the graphics card, or the hard disk. And the hardware technician would be at an advantage to help you out with this problem as to ascertain as to what exactly is not fitted properly, which component, or which component is not getting enough power, or if there's a power surge in any of the components. All right, so if the hardware technician is not able to help you, if this is a software problem, then what we can do is we can update the drivers. How we would do that is right click on start, click on settings, Windows update, then select advanced options and look for optional updates. If there are any optional updates, just update them and it will be installed. Now if that too doesn't work, then we can adjust the power settings. So how do we do that is we will press the Windows and R key and we will type the command power cfg.cpl and we will press enter. Now we have to make sure that we choose the balanced performance, and if it's not, then we have to change the plan settings to balanced performance. Right, so if all of this doesn't work, then the only solution left is to update the BIOS. And how do we do that? We click on the browser and we will download the BIOS that belongs to the model number of our system. So how will you find out the model number is to look below the laptop if you're using a laptop, or if you're using a desktop, it will be somewhere on the body of the desktop. So I am using an Asus E15404FA. So I search for download BIOS of this model. I click on this link and I go down and I click BIOS and firmware and it will show download. I'll download the file and I will install it from the file. But a word of caution here, before you again reinstall the BIOS, make sure you do a backup copy of your BIOS. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.